Welcome back to Fashion Blast, where style has no age limit. Today we are sharing 40 youthful short haircuts for mature women that are perfect for grey and thinning hair. These looks are trendy, low maintenance, and designed to bring out your natural beauty no matter your age. If you are looking to refresh your look, add volume, or just feel more confident, you are in the right place. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the most flattering short styles of 2025. Let's start with some short hairstyles that work wonders for fine or thinning hair. The textured pixie cut, the short feather bob, the tapered crop. These styles are great for women who want a fuller look without needing a lot of product or effort. You don't need to spend hours styling. These haircuts are designed to be low maintenance but still elegant. Use a volumizing mouse, blow dry with a round brush, or go heat free with rollers. Also, ask your stylist about razoring or point cutting techniques. These small tricks make a big difference for fine hair or thin hair. Remember, a flattering haircut does not just change how you look, it changes how you feel. Choosing the right style for your hair type and face shape can restore confidence. So, my dear friends, if you like my video, please press the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel. After watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel videos. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you.